Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So every time I post a new video, you can be the first one to know about it. How are you guys? Today we're gonna have like a little versus party. Cause you know, it's gonna be Keisha Cole and Ashanti. So we're gonna be singing. So I ordered something on Amazon. Let me see how it looks. Andrew was a hater. He didn't think it was gonna come in time, but I knew it was gonna come. It's not gonna be something else. We gonna be singing in here. It's a concert. Oh damn! I can't get it open. Babe, well you see me here struggling. You don't have a knife for me?
No, you already started. You might as well finish.
No, for real. Can you give me a knife? I can't get this open. Or like a something.
There's a knife over there.
Huh? Oh, this will work. Sorry guys, trial and error. Oh, look at our microphone. It's gonna be so cute. It's not a toy, hater. Oh gosh, you think? Oh no, I think it charges. Isn't it cute? It's cute. Alright, so I think I got it to work. Ooh. Hello! Never knew what Watch, I'm gonna be even got a little remix. Hello. They should cut me a check. Look at that. Promo. Hello. I'm gonna have fun with this. Oh guys, you wanna see the lights? Andrew put some lights on the table. Oh, I feel like yeah, I had to clean off my lens. It was a little foggy. But yeah, those are the lights. See, we don't need a Christmas tree to be festive, even though we got a Christmas tree. Our little baby tree. Isn't our tree so cute? So cute. So cute. Yeah, so today is Amber's birthday. I took her to dinner yesterday. Oh yeah, let me show you guys when I took her to dinner. Alright, so I took Amber to dinner for her birthday. We're at her favorite place, the Boyle. What you got over here?
I got the queen combo. It's a pound of crab legs, a pound of shrimp.
And I got some shrimp. Ooh. Some shrimp and some lobster. We waiting for our drinks. But yeah, dinner was good. Actually, it was good, but it's not as good as it usually is. Like, when I go to the Boyle, I'll be like in heaven, but it was alright. Nothing is the same anymore. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the girls to come over and we're gonna have a little versus party. Andrew's making some chicken and some empanadas. He gonna be singing with us, right, man?
No.
You don't wanna sing with us? He's being boring. Y'all, this is not right. Now, Ashanti is saying she has COVID. Who gonna reimburse me for this mic? I'm not saying that she doesn't have COVID. It's very possible that she has COVID, but Ashanti be out. She be out. Like, out. Vacation every other month without a mask. Like, and like she just got tested today and found out today she got COVID. Like, it's not adding up. I don't know. Something ain't right. I'm waiting for this live though. I'm waiting. Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. I have not been doing good with Vlogmas. Like, I've been trying to post every day, but it's just not for me. Like, maybe when I'm like finally like a YouTuber and I don't have a job, I'll be able to do it. But honey, I've been having a hard time. It is December 18th, okay? I started this vlog like a week ago. But anyway, how y'all doing Christmas shopping? You guys got all your gifts? You still need a lot of gifts? Or like, what have you guys been doing for gifts? Or y'all just not buying gifts this year? I wish I could have one of those years, but it never works out with me because I know that I'll say that, and then my family will still buy me something, and I will really feel bad if I don't have a gift. So it's just, it never works out for me. So Andrew, right? This package says my name. It says my name. He's gonna open the box. Mind you, I have a gift in here for him. He's gonna open the box and say, "Oh, you had something in there for me." I'm like, "Why?" He's like, "Oh, I made a mistake and opened it, but I put tape back over it." So if you made a mistake and you opened something that might have been for you, why would you put tape on it and tell me? A normal, sane person would just put the tape and just like, you know? He's like, yeah. He announced it and then he told me he put tape. Like, what's the sense of putting tape? You should have just left the box open. Now you're wasting a piece of tape. Man. But anyway. But how's your Christmas shopping going? I think I got in this box, just tape the box. Like, I have something in here for my dad. And I have something in here for Andrew. Oh, this little box is beat up. Just some Dior cologne. I only gave a little sample. But yeah, like he really. But anyway, how are y'all doing with y'all Christmas shopping? What else do you guys think to get? So what we said we was gonna do, we was gonna fill the stocking stuffers with gifts. So far I got him 3 gifts, but I feel like I want to get him something else. Actually, let me get a thumbnail. Y'all think it's cute for my thumbnail? Anyway, wait, one more, just in case, because you know, let me make sure that the stomach is covered. Hold on, like this. We said we wasn't gonna, we randomly have moments where we want to go all out for gifts and we spend a lot of money, and then we have many moments where we won't even exchange gifts or we'll get something really small. So this year we were kind of like, let's exchange gifts. You know, this is our first seeing our new apartment, and you know, it might be nice. I usually travel to Maryland for Christmas, but I'm not doing that this year because of COVID. They're coming to me and I have to work the next day, so we thought it would be nice to like get little gifts and wrap them and, you know, exchange gifts. So that's what we're doing. We just had a budget, but like he told me how much he spent and I didn't spend that much, so I think he's trying to outgift me. So I might have to get him some little small trinkets or something, because like that wasn't the plan. But anyway, yeah. I got this cute book from Gucci. Look at this book. Look at them sending me some cute stuff. You know, I want to put it on my coffee table under my Gabrielle Union book. You know, I love her. But it's like basically like a planner, like an address book, and it has little pictures in it. My coworker, he recently bought a lot of stuff from Gucci, and I went over to him. I'm just like, oh my God, Gucci sent me this book. Like, they sent me this book. Did you get one? He's like, no, I didn't get one. I'm like, oh, you probably didn't reach up the mail. You probably didn't reach up the amount of money you have to spend in a year to get the book. Knowing I ain't spent nothing. I bought that one bag, and he spent so much more than me just messing with him. He was just like, I'm like, yeah, they sent me this book. They sent me this Gucci book. Sorry, you didn't make the list. You didn't make it. But anyway, it's cute. I probably won't even write in it. I don't know. And these are some tough pages. I gotta push it back and write like it's cute. But it's cute. It say Gucci, so I'm gonna put it under Miss Union on my coffee table like this. You know, it's gonna be cute. But anyway, I think I gotta do a little bit more shopping. I have to get something for another gift for my mother, and I have to get who else I have to get something for? I have to get something for Andrew's mom, and I think I'm done. I have to get something else for my aunt. So let me tell you the people I gotta get a gift for, because the list goes on. I gotta get a gift for Andrew, my dad, my mom, my grandmother, my grandfather, Shanti, Katie. Those are both my sisters. Both my aunts, Kia, Yvette. So that's 9. Did I say my grandfather? I think I did, but let's just round it off to 10. So 10 people that I have to buy gifts for. Like, it's so much. And I remember I had this one year, like me and my friends, we thought like it would be cute to exchange gifts, and I was all for it. Like, yeah, let's exchange gifts. I'm here for it. Not thinking that I got 10 family members to get gifts for. Imagine having like 6 best friends and 10 family members you got to get a gift for. It was, I will never do that again, like never. So from now on, my friends, they get birthday gifts. That's it. It works better out for me. Never again. And then I ordered a sweater from my coworker. He has a, he has his own business, black-owned business. I love to support. I feel like I want to I want to try to donate to at least $50 a month. All right, let me not drag it. Anywhere between $25 and $50 a month on just different donations, and then I want to try to at least support one black business a month. We gotta do what we gotta do to get our people ahead, But yeah, he just, it's a little hoodie. It's cute. Yeah, but I definitely want to do that, and I feel like I have been doing that lately. Like, I find like little, and now GoFundMe send me emails now. I don't know what that is about. Like, I didn't ask for those, but I try to do at least, cause like I have money that comes out on my check automatically. I think every time I get paid, they take out like $5. So between that, and then if I find like another thing I can donate, I can try to, depending on how the month is going, I could do $25 to $50 a month. We gotta give back. And you never know, it might be months where you could do more. But you gotta, if you're in a space where you can actually give back, you should. And it's better than giving to the people in the trains. Even though it's good to give them money too, but sometimes like, they don't always do what they're supposed to do with that money. So, but anyway, I made this vlog before I had to go to work because I need to get up in here and get a vlog because I haven't posted anything in a while. But yeah, what's up? Y'all done with your shopping? Write in the comments if you guys are done with your shopping, and tell me around what budget do you guys give yourself for holiday gifts. Like, I usually try to say like I won't go over $1,000, but sometimes it usually always happens. But I think this year I'll be right on the nail for $1,000. Like, honestly, because I tallied everything that I was getting. I'm like, I gotta get this, I gotta get that, I gotta get that. And honestly, if I can have a Christmas where I only spend like $600 or $700, I'll be happy. But that never works out because I do love to give gifts. I think I'm gonna make a vlog on like me like giving my gifts. Well, I already gave my grandmother her gift, so that won't work. And she ain't coming to my house because of COVID. So maybe I can't get that vlog. Yeah. I'll figure something out, something cute. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this vlog. I'm off on Sunday. I will make sure I get some content up on Sunday because I need to get monetized. If you are not subscribed, stop what you're doing right now and subscribe. You subscribed yet? Are you subscribed? But anyway, I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.